ìròyìn ayọ̀ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ó ga jù wọ́n ní ọmọ ẹni kò kì í ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká fìlẹ̀kẹ̀ sídìí ọmọ ẹlòmíràn oríṣiríṣi ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Alright my brother my sister, no be small something well this one na good news anyway wey be say e dey reach us now onto this level. Okay, yes, so we don talk this thing about how the people wey be say the resident of Igangan wey be say dem come outside dey come dey jubilate say say dem wan appreciate Chief Sunday Igboho, say in fact dem wan give am gift for wetin e do for dem. All of them now dem don dey hammer, dem don dey see plenty money in millions of naira unto say Fulani dem no born Fulani well again make e enter inside their village or make e enter inside their farm. In fact dem no born any Fulani well make e stop them not to go to their farm. Okay, now this one another good news wey be say e dey reach us wey I say make I let una still dey know as e dey hot and then as e dey gbona. Now this information wey be say e dey reach us now onto the level say make all Yoruba people wherever una dey, most especially the ones wey be say dem dey inside bush, make all of una make una wake up eji emasun make una fight for una self. Many informations wey be say e don reach us say like this gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ bá mọ nǹkan tó dáa fún yín ẹ wọnú igbó lọ kẹ bá wọn Fúlàní kẹ bá wọn pò, in fact kẹ pa wọn nípakúpa kẹ ṣe ní òkú òru, ó yẹ ibẹ̀ yẹn kò sẹ́ni tó máa mọ bó ṣe ń lọ, bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ wọ́n máa pa yín nípakúpa lọ ní o according to wetin they don talk. Alright, and then now the people of Ibarapa don come outside. They don appreciate Chief Sunday Igboho, and they don't say in fact they will continue to dey appreciate am for everything wey be say e do for them. Now as una don know say things don cost well most especially food stuff. Anybody wey be farmer now na oga na him be. Now all these farmers for Ibarapa Igangan they don come outside, they come dey say since Chief Sunday Igboho don enter inside that village wey be say e don want them, and then now themselves they don't wake up, they don't get sense. Since then they fit dey go their farm to make their money. In fact they say many trailers now they carry all their food produce come out wey be say dem go dey sell am. In fact one of them don come out and say now he don't even buy motor inside this matter. That's exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, so now the other updates wey be say e dey reach us na im be say as far as Yoruba people we are concerned, this one our time because when the Fulani people dey there then they kpai us up and down, but now wey be say our own man don dey there wetin come still dey make them dey enter inside our village one after the other. This one na cause for concern. Now the ojulowo ọmọ Yoruba don come outside, they can't tell all the Yoruba people say like this ẹ la etí yín ẹ la ojú yín kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa fi ríran tó bá máa jẹ́ pé àwọn ọba yín ló máa gbàbọ̀dè fún yín ẹ má jẹ́ kán mọ̀, ẹ pera yín jọ ẹ ṣe mítìnì kẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ bí ẹ máa ṣe wọnú igbó yẹn tẹ máa dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan yẹn fún àwọn Fúlàní, because báwọn Fúlàní ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín o wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín rárá. Ìwọ tó bá dẹ̀ lọ máa jókòó pé o fẹ́ máa dúró de ìjọba Ọ̀yọ́ ló wà o, okay Ọ̀yọ́ state náà kúkú lẹ́wà tẹ́lẹ̀ you are on your own leleyi o. Okay, na so e kan bí o ẹ má pariwo ara yín síta, ẹ ṣe ìpàdé yẹn ní bòńkẹ́lẹ́. In fact gbogbo àwọn ọba gan wọn ti gbàbọ̀dè lọ́dọ̀ tiwọn náà, because àmọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ most of them àwọn náà lọ fún ní Fúlàní ní màálù táwọn Fúlàní ń gbé wọnú igbó tí wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé ìbọn lé wọn lọ́wọ́ pé in case anybody bá ṣe yàmàyàmà kan ṣe wọ́n yàmàyàmà. Now tí gbogbo yín dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ ẹ jára yín ẹ jí ẹ má sùn. Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ sọ wípé ọmọ ẹni ò ní ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká wá fi ilẹ̀kẹ̀ sí di ọmọ ẹlòmíì, bọ̀ kí ló wá dé pé lẹ́yìn tó jẹ́ pé adẹ̀ ti fi ilẹ̀kẹ̀ sí di ọmọ tiwa kí ló tún wá ṣẹlẹ̀ tó fi jẹ́ pé Fúlàní wá ń pa kúpa. Now advice tán ti múlẹ̀ báyìí ni pé kí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá kẹ́ wọnú igbó kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ṣe kíni kẹ́ máa ṣe wọ́n báṣu ẹ má sùn ẹ má kò í ṣe ìtẹ́ máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá mú wọn tẹ́ máa ṣe máa gbé wọn lọ bá ọlọ́pàá. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá gan kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣe, wọ́n máa dá wọn padà náà ní, bọ̀ kẹ́ máa ṣe wọ́n lóní bòńkẹ́lẹ́. My brother my sister, no be small something. Now all these things na in dey happen now make everybody wake up. No more joke, no more play. Now how many years our presido he wan sit down for inside that throne wey be say e never even complete 1 year. Okay, this May e go complete 1 year, abi. See wetin we don dey see wetin we don dey suffer to the extent this Fulani dem no even send anybody message. This Fulani dem no care at all. Wetin dem just dey reason be say make dem just dey enjoy themselves. Dem believe say the president wey dey there e no fit do anything. That is why all Yoruba people need to wake up. Yoruba nation no going back. Wey be say we dey talk about, we go continue to dey talk am because nothing dey for inside the one Nigeria. Any kan ló mọ̀, according to wetin one of my friend don talk yesterday, say any kan ló mọ̀ simply because he say before this my friend come outside dey tell me say omo before he no dey support Yoruba nation. Say if dem dey talk about Yoruba nation, go say abeg all those people wey be say dem no get work, all those ones dey just dey talk, who wan let them go, where dem dey go sef abeg. That my friend dey always dey talk about one Nigeria, but now e come happen say dem come kidnap one of him brother. Hey, dem say make dem go bring 400 million naira. Na him dem say make dem go bring brother wey be say e dey hustle, in salary sef maybe na 80,000 naira wey dem for one see. Now all of them dem don learn ọrùn wọn ti gùn nísìnyí, wọ́n ti ń pariwo pé kárípà dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ ní Yorùbá nation yẹn làbá dẹ̀ focus lé lórí o. Hey, this one wey be say e come dey happen now. Hey, wetin dey sup, wetin dey happen, my brother, my sister. Now everybody now don code, they don understand say like this so they need to wake up. They don see say like this so there is nothing like one Nigeria again, my brother, my sister. This matter wey be say we dey talk about, e no funny at all. In fact, with this news wey be say e dey reach us now, everybody don wake up onto this level. Say like this so we all need to fight for our right, or else nobody go come outside come fight for you. Now jubilations don dey everywhere. The people of Igangan don come outside, they talk say make dem help them thank Chief Sunday Igboho. And meanwhile the people of Igangan, they don come outside and we don see wetin dem dey do for themselves, how dem take dey help themselves. Okay, onto this next level. Okay, the full news come be say the people of Igangan, they don dey do the needful. Ó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ń ṣe fáwọn people yẹn, wọ́n dúró de àwọn ìjọba mọ́. Ó yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, àwọn tíátíá náà lè ká máa gbọ́ bóyá ń lọ. Wọ́n dúró de ìjọba mọ́ o. Wọ́n ti mú àwọn people yẹn balẹ̀ on their own. Wọ́n dẹ̀ gbójú wọn síta. Gbogbo tẹ́ máa ń gbójú ara yín síta yẹn, àsìkò yẹn ti lọ ní báyìí. Ẹ máa ṣe kinní yẹn fún wọn kó dẹ̀ máa happen. So it can't be. So now they don advise every other people, ẹ̀yin tó kù, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ lọ kọ́ bí àwọn ọmọ ti gangan tí wọ́n ṣe ń kọ́ṣẹ́, tán ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. Wọ́n dúró de ìjọba mọ́, wọ́n ń parí iṣẹ́ fúnra wọn, ó dẹ̀ ń da fún wọn. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ tó bá continue, tó bá ń pariwo wọ́n Nàìjíríà tí ẹ bọ́, wọ́n máa pa ẹ lọ nípakúpa ni. All right, my brother, my sister, now so it come be onto this one. Àwọn tèmi ti gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ. If you are still sitting down on a long term, my brother, my sister, you are on your own. Ẹ jí ẹ má sùn. Yorùbá nation bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun nìkan ló lè ṣe o. Yes, so my brother, my sister, now so it can be onto this next level until I come on our way next time. If this one are your first time, my brother, my sister, will be say you dey join us for this channel, I beg you, make you try, make you subscribe, make you like it until I come on our way next time, my brother, my sister. I say on a bye for now.